Hello everyone. Infertility is a health problem. It is affecting not only the older couples but the younger couples as well. So, if you are one of the couples fighting against infertility, recurrent miscarriages, or multiple IVF failures, then get a second opinion with us on 1st March in Shillong Children's Hospital, Boxay. So come and share your problem with us. Explore the newer fertility options coming up in the field of infertility. We are here to help you out. Thank you.
Hagani gajing Plie, Yaka Apollo Trinity Medical Center, Ledan Lang, Kementeri Ketenat Kakot Kakyak Gejala Meghalaya, Dr. Ampurin Lingdo, Chief Secretary Gejala Ubat DP Walang, Regional CEO East Jongka Apollo Hospitals Enterprise Limited, Urana Dasgupta Bat Kibi. Ka Apollo Trinity Medical Center Kedan Kilat Ajing Sumar Gibakenthop, Yaka Diagnostic Service, Ka ECG, TMT, Echocardiography, Pulmonary Function Test, Ultrasound, X-ray, Dental Care, Ophthalmology, Physiotherapy, Integrated Lab, dan kebetulan kamlang, bat ke Apollo Diagnostics. Kini ke center kan danduk kejinya selok lania ke telemedicine consultation, bat ki start ke Apollo na Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, Kolkata, bat Guwahati. Menteri Rangba ke Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma haba kerana kejing yalang ulepen pawe kejing angnut jeng kesorkar jela ban penjanai kejing syakri hakokoi kakhya. Da ke bepen pau baga Meghalaya ke penlut kendai nak sispa nak mang tengka haketenat kakoi kakhya baga diru ke bahak ke bahak tam hakari. Ulong bagalong kebedan kam banyo kejing syakri ke bakambha ban wat benia kejing pang bat kemi denti. Bangani ke jaka sumar ke betamai ke nerap ban pendunai kejing lut kinong jong snong ke bajulet cabar ke jela ban lek ki tes beper ban banyo kejing sumar ya kejing pang ke bakidon.
I believe that this center is such a center of hope. I urge upon both the darbars of Goram Hill and the darbar of Nauramba to work together on this project, to be on the same page, to not tussle as to who belongs and whose it is. We both need to figure out what do we do with this horrible drain which needs to be covered. And we both have to rally together. As a local representative, sir, I place before your knowledge that if this drain does not get covered, sir, it will unnecessarily cause exposure to all kinds of infections, to all those that will be traveling this road. We must do it, sir. There is no agency in this world that will throw development away on a flimsy notion that this is a water body. So it is the dirtiest of all drains. And it is the only drain left in my constituency that remains uncovered. We have dealt with this matter, sir, before. We have dealt with it in several other locations where there are a handful of people who for some odd reason do not want to move along with the community and go ahead and see things happening and see how a facility like this can be a blessing to so many families.
Just you don't have to do anything much. Everything is computerized. So therefore I urge all of you to please go and disseminate this very important information that it is a very good facility that we saw being inaugurated, and it could be free if we are registered under MHIS, because we take care of OPD and diagnostics also, which is what this center is all about. Therefore, with that information that I wanted to share with all of you, I come back again and congratulate all the promoters, Apollo, for the partnership that you have executed for this project, and I'm sure that this will go a long way.
The health sector has been of great importance to us as a government, and you'll be happy to know that in terms of the percentage expenditure of GDP, Meghalaya spends more than 8%, almost 9% of our expenditure of our overall budget, our budget is on healthcare. And that makes us the number one in the country to spend the maximum amount percentage of the budget on healthcare. So this is reflective of the commitment that we have towards health and improvement of the health sector. Please remember, these are not easy things to do. There's a lot of challenges, and we have started at a very kind of a base line was very low for us, and therefore for us to come up from that baseline to where we are moving forward today, it's not about the challenge alone, it's about creating that inertia, creating that momentum, creating that motivation in the team, and that takes a lot of time. And that is something that has happened throughout the structure of governance. It's not just health, but health has seen that move much further. And I'm sure our officials who are present out here will tell you how the health sector is reforming, and how the involvement of the officials, involvement of the doctors has been at a different level, which has allowed us to really improve things and see where we are today. And of course, there's a lot more to be done. It's not that we are saying that we have resolved every issue. There's a lot of issue to be resolved, but clearly from where we were and where we are and where we are moving forward to, I can clearly see the direction and seeing that vision that our Chief Secretary had mentioned, that slowly and steadily Meghalaya, especially Shillong of course, will gain that reputation of being able to provide good medical and healthcare services in the days to come. And that's really kind of a goal and a target for us, which drives us. Again, a very big target, but we feel that it can be achieved if we continue this momentum that we're doing.